Hey, you wonderful people, welcome to Lemonades Out of Lemon. So, here on this channel, we discuss everything mother baby life. Today, we are going to learn how to wash baby diapers, how to remove baby poop from baby diapers, and I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. But guys, if this is your first time, you're welcome to Lemonades Out of Lemons. So my name is Mary, and I appreciate you for being here. If you've been here for a long time, thank you for staying here. I've not been updating the channel frequently, but you still stick and stay. Do well to share this video and also like it and subscribe to the channel so that you get a notification anytime I post some of these important videos on how to take care of your newborn baby. And also, this your subscription or your liking or sharing is going to reach a lot of people who also find themselves in the category of looking for these contents that I create, right? So guys, let's go straight to today's video. And then, hey you guys, so I appreciate you for staying tuned and watching this video to the end. Next time I'm going to come by with another interesting video on how to actually reduce baby fever at home, and I would appreciate you if you hit on the like button and then come back again and watch this video. I'll see you. Bye.
Hello you guys, so we are going to learn how to wash baby clothes or baby diapers. That's the cotton diaper. So I'm going to use this handkerchief and I'm going to show you. We are going to take a look at um, three different ways. One, if it has poop inside, if the baby has poop inside. Two, if it's only dirty. And three, if it has um, pee, okay, if it has urine inside. I don't have all the cotton, that's how come it gets long for me to do this video, this particular part. I don't have the baby napkins because I moved from my old place. So I'm going to use only this one. I will need you to pay very attention to it, okay? And I don't have my tripod, so I'm going to use only one hand and I'm going to do the video with it. Please pay attention to it, all right? Okay, so the first we are going to talk about if it has pee in it. If you use the diaper, that's the cotton diaper, I mean the reusable diapers, the vintage diapers, the old ones, the one that you can reuse, okay? And it has urine inside. For it not to be dark, for you not to have a discolored napkin, okay, you need to soak the diaper, all right? So you soak it in, you keep it in water for a day, and you wash the next day. Okay, so as you soak it in water, you add your detergent to it, all right? This is what I have. So you add your detergents to it, and if you want to add your any other detergents that I don't want to mention any brand's name, but if any of them that you want to add, you add it up. So you soak it overnight, all right? So when you soak it overnight, the next day you take and then you wash it. I'll show you how you wash it. So this one is for um, diapers that has pee inside, that your baby has peed inside. Okay, good. So let's do diaper which has um, baby poop inside. Okay, if your baby has poo poo inside the diaper, all right. So I'm just going to squeeze the water out of it. So if your baby has pooped inside, let's imagine the baby pooped here. Okay, let's imagine this is where the baby pooped. First, you're going to wash the poop out of the diaper. So this is how you dip it in. Okay, it's going to remove all the poop from inside. It's going to remove everything. So you do it like this, and then it's going to wash the poop from inside. After you've washed and you've had something like this, something clean like this, okay, you pour that particular water away. You pour that water away, all right, because it has poop inside. You're not going to use that dirty water to, wash the napkin that you've washed the poop outside from. So you throw the water away. Okay, great. So after you throw it away, you just repeat the first method that I repeated. You soak it in the water. If you like, you can wash it right away. But if not, you can keep it in the water, soak it overnight. You add your detergents and you wait for the detergents to do all that it is that you know, it has to do on the material. Mm, good. Then you wash it. I'm going to show you how you hand wash the napkin. So the last phase is also the you washing your napkin whilst there are stains inside. Okay, so with this, if it has stains inside, you can do the first method that I showed you. The first method where you soaked overnight. Okay, so you can soak it overnight. Like it is in this this time around. You can soak it overnight. Mm. Okay, so as you soak it overnight, then you wash it. So I'm going to put the camera somewhere. I don't know how I'm going to show you, but I'm going to try to show you, and I'm going to wash for you to see how it is washed. Okay, good. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to hand wash the baby napkins. Okay, I believe you can see from here, right? Can you see? Okay, so you pick your napkin wherever the stains are, you wash it like this. Okay, you wash it. You can see that it's getting brighter. Okay, so you wash it like that. If you feel that the detergent is too small for the work that you're doing, you add more. So I add more to it, and I'm going to add water to it. So that's how you wash, you hand wash your uh, baby napkins. And the last tip, let me give you the last tip. If your baby napkin is discolored, if you didn't do all these methods that I've mentioned, it's going to get discolored, especially soaking it overnight. It's going to get discolored because the urine stains is going to, it's going to stain the napkin. So what the last tip I'll show you is that you need to either find, should I record it in the video? I think you are smart, you can do it, right? So you need to boil the water, boil water, and you keep the napkins inside the water. You can boil the water, you can put the napkins in um, okay, let me just do a video to show you. All right, Let me do a video to show you how to do the last step. Okay, good.
Well, so guys, I'm going to show you. This is the method I was looking at. I wanted to show you this, the last, you know, straw, or the last method to get your napkins clean, your baby diapers clean, your baby napkins clean. You can use it also for any other um, material, your baby towels, your baby clothes. Okay, so I have a very dirty, towel here. Okay, I may not show you, I may not video this thing, record this thing for all the methods for you to see, but I want you to know that this particular method work. So if you boil your water like I was talking about, like this, and you dip your this thing, your baby diaper or your baby napkin in the water, it's going to boil. Okay, you don't need to cover it up, and then you pour your detergent on it. You add your detergent, and if you have any tool, any ladle around, you just turn, you just be turning your diaper or your napkin. You just turn it. It is going to remove all the dirt, the oil stain and everything from it, and then you can wash it like I showed you how to wash. Okay, yeah. So this is also a hack where yeah, you can you can wash your baby diaper that is very dirty, your baby clothes that is very dirty, that is very stained, and you want it to be neat. So you can see the water is changing. It's because it has taken the filth from here, from the towel to the water. Guys, after all the method I've showed you, you need to rinse the detergent from you need to rinse your detergent from the cotton diaper. So this one you are not adding any detergent. So you just wash it again like I showed you. Wash it, get all the dirt, filth, urine, the poop from the diaper. And you can then squeeze out the water and you can dry it on your drying line. Okay, good. So that's how you do it. Hey you guys, so I appreciate you for staying tuned and watching this video to the end. Next time I'm going to come by with another interesting video on how to actually reduce baby fever at home, and I would appreciate you if you hit on the like button and then come back again and watch this video. I'll see you. Bye.